Hey y'all, I'm working on something. You know, you don't want to wait till the last minute. You want to do it now. So there's my skillet. And to configure this, I put my largest bake pan on this. And you can see this didn't come from my stove. It come from somewhere else. But y'all need to get one of these. You can use it indoor or outdoor. And I'm going to use candles here. And you can see it's all going to be safe. It's, you know, it's on the stove, so it's safe. And then you put your pan on top of that. It's level. It's not going to fall around. See, it's level. And if you had grease, if you knocked it over a little bit, then you got this pan protected. So you need to start working on alternative cooking methods in case you're without power this winter. Need to get going now. What I plan on doing is taking these. I'm going to start burning them now because they're scented candles. I don't want to cook with scented candles. So what I'm going to do is start burning these, and I can have the smell in my house. You know. Okay, this is what I'm going to replace the wax with. A 6-pound can of Crisco. Now when I do all my scented candles, burn them out of there. I don't want to just throw them away. Then what you do is you will melt some of this for just a few seconds. Pour in each jar up to that rim. And then you're going to put, you can use a birthday candle in them. See, if they're too tall, you can cut them off. And then I figured I needed 5, so I needed a fire in the middle. This one can be shorter, or it can all be the same. I didn't have 5 of the same, and I figured I needed 5. So your rack will, this thing will fit right over them. They all got to be the same height to fit. Get it on there. Get your jars spread out. You can spread these however you need it. Your bricks. And then you can spread it out and get them in all 4 corners. They have round ones, but I like the square. So you can put one in the middle, and the one in the middle can be lower because see, these are just perfect size. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They're the ones that have the lids on them. Let's see what 3 ounce. They're 3 ounce scented candles. And then this was a Christmas one, which is lower, but that's okay because it works. Because this all slants down, so this couldn't be the same height. So you need 4 the same height, and then 1 in the middle, and then you can put your, okay, and then when I burn these up, I'm going to refill them with Crisco, and put one of these in the middle, and then I'll screw the lids back on, so I'll have it ready to go. This one has a lid too. So I just thought I'd pass on this ideal, because if you didn't have no fuel at all, you can cook like this. I've done it before. I know it works. I'm not going to lie and show me something cooking, because I know it'll work. It's a little slower, but also an iron skillet because it's even heat, and you can even make cornbread with it on top of the stove. Okay, I hope that helps somebody. And if anybody has the EBT card, you can You can buy it tax-free, and if you buy over $35 worth from Walmart, they'll ship it to you for free. I have other sizes of this, but I suggest getting the 6-pounder. And I ordered 5 more 6-pounders. Because I'm only in... If I have to use it to cook with grease, then I will. But more than likely, this is going to be candle. Could even be heat. You just fill a jar, and let me show you how to use heat. You would melt your Crisco up to this line here. And then I bought these from the Dollar Tree because I did the math and they come out cheaper. And also I ordered some from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to pick them up at the Dollar Tree so I don't pay no shipping. You don't want to pay shipping. So if you do it to the store, and I wouldn't wait a long time. I ordered 2 cases. A case is 18 and 18's 36. Of course, double is 72. So you're going to get 72 candles if you get 2 cases. But these, you cut the size. You would go down there and you will go there, and then you will cut it to size. And then you can melt it and pour it in there up to there, and then let it solidify a little bit in the refrigerator, and then stick one of these in there already cut to where you want it so it'll stay in place. And just put one in there. You can make a double candle if you want, but this, you can use your mason jars, and then you can screw your mason jar lids on there. So you can pre-fix these. Okay, I hope this is going to help somebody and give them some good information. And so that's it. So here's how to cook. Here's how to have light. And also, don't put off odors, the Crisco. And also, if you surround yourself with a bunch of candles, it's going to raise the temperature in a small room. And also, you can put a terracotta over this. You can watch some YouTubes to know how to do that. It's real easy. You don't have to use a quart. You can use one shorter. But you can use... let me know if y'all want me to configure how heat for you. But this, I was just mainly showing you how you can cook. Okay, bye y'all. That's all in this video. So do your Crisco. Do your Crisco and your configuration. If you don't have a gas stove, you can order one of these, or you can find one somewhere. And I would get one. Or you can do a different grate, but this squarish style works best for me. Okay, bye y'all. Hope that helps someone. I wouldn't wait on buying Crisco though. I'd get it now.